new state legislative commission wants to raise the standards for school libraries. Among the recommendations, certified school librarians, something Arlington Public Schools don't have. The Department of Elementary and Secondary Education licenses school librarians. They often have a master's degree and must pass an educator's license test. The state currently does not mandate professional school librarians, and due to tightening budgets, Arlington cut them a decade ago. The Massachusetts School Library Study found the town is among 23% of communities that rely upon paraprofessionals and volunteers to do the job, often with less training and less pay. Local librarians and school officials recently held an informal panel to discuss the findings. Representative Sean Garbely sponsored the Legislative Commission's report and says the imbalance across schools is the biggest concern.
There is huge inequity across our state. Some libraries in our schools have certified full-time librarians, some have volunteers, some have incredible access to book collections and technology, and others don't.
Besides certified librarians, the state report also recommends an increase in print and electronic resources and calls for new guidelines for schools to fund their libraries. Arlington's library budget does not include money for new material. Instead, funding for books comes from PTOs. During the meeting, paraprofessionals and Arlington's Assistant School Superintendent, Roderick McNeil, agreed that they need to look at improving school libraries now and work with what they have.
I think, we are, as many people have said, doing more than should be possible with the resources we have. If you're going to introduce licensed librarians, you're certainly not going to have money for them and the paraprofessionals.
What can we do under the present system with the talented individuals that are putting forth their heart and soul into their positions to improve the services? How can we support them? And a lot of that is into supporting them in their role, providing professional development. What does that look like? That's the challenge.